going on, guys? I'm gonna go ahead and do another rip of 2021 Bowman Chrome. This will be my last one for a while. I'm gonna save the other two boxes for a bit. But I enjoy the product, so excuse me, I'm gonna check it out again. All right, so 2 mini boxes, 2 different autos. Let's see what we get. Having a little trouble with this. All right. Readjust the camera here. So we have a Yu Darvish on top. Emerson Hancock. 40-man futures. Aaron Judge, Pedro Pineda, first Bowman. Don't think those are numbered, no, but sparkled refractor. I guess they're all sparkly. Sorry about that noise in the background. I forgot that I had set the dishwasher to go, and it's now going. And since I'm mid-video, I can't really stop. Got a Tanner Houck, Nick Madrigal rookie. J.J. Bleday, Jazz Chisholm, and William Contreras rookies. Malvin Valdez, purple. It's numbered at $2.99, $2.50. Nice Nolan Gorman, Braylon Marquez, and a Key Brian Hayes rookie. And there's our auto. Kevlin DeCastro, and I'm pretty sure he's decent. Shortstop with the Blue Jays, so that's a good one. Ha-Seong Kim, Tristan Casillas, summer camp. So definitely some decent stuff there. Let me see if I don't think I have any sleeves in here. Oh, there we go. Yes, I do. I don't want this thing just floating out here. All right, let's see what we do with the next one. I want to try to get the autograph at the end there, but I don't know if I can, because I don't obviously know which one it's in. I think that was the third one, so I put this one aside, hoping that that's the correct one. Build the suspense. All right, I'm hoping for a numbered refractor autograph. So we got Christian Javier, Christian Pache, rookie. 40-man futures of Cole Wilcox. Taylor Trammell, Asa Lacy, Logan Gilbert. 40-man futures of Ed Howard. Gotta love the Cubbies. Shane McClanahan, is this the auto coming up? Oh, Charlie Blackman, purple. Numbered out of 299, 134 of 299. Heston Kjerstad. Nice Spencer Torkelson. Joey Bart, rookie. Tariq Skubal. Here comes the auto. Taylor Dullard. Dark Dullard. Never heard of him, but he's his first Bowman pitching prospect for the Mariners. Could be good. That's a refractor. Armando Cruz. Robert Paulson. Drew Romo. And that is the rest out of that. So not as big of an auto as I was hoping, but still not bad. All right, so I hope everybody has a safe and happy new year. Make sure that if you're drinking that you don't drive. And you know, if you're out with others, just be aware of everybody else because it can get crazy out there. But I'm sure with the state of how things are, maybe not as many people go out, but I don't know. That I could be wrong. Anyway, Happy New Year, everyone. Take care.